HD Supply Holdings is the largest company scheduled to go public this week. They are hoping to raise $1.25 billion and pricing the shares between $22.50 and $24.50. This company was once a part of Home Depot, but they sold it to some private equity folks who are now bringing it public. Francis Gaskins, what do you think of this one? It looks like it could be perhaps maybe a little cheaper than its competitors, Grainger and Fastenal.
Yeah, so on a price to sales basis, it's basically half-time sales, and the others are 1.5 and a little more. There are cross currents going on in the market. It's a really, really big industrial distributor, and the PE ratio. I was looking at the 212 PE ratios because it's a seasonal business, and that's just when it's all comparative anyway. So Fastenal is like 41 times that year's profits, and this one is like 37. So it seems to be a little bit high there. And based on what Bernanke is doing or not doing with the Federal Reserve, I think there are a lot of cross currents going on in the construction and the housing market. So it remains to be seen exactly what's happening there. I think what investors should do is take a look at the recent stock prices of Grainger and Fastenal, and also Plygem, which was a distributor in the home building market, and also Bushy Cascade, that were IPOs earlier in the year. So if those stocks have done well in the couple of days before this one prices, and this one prices in range a little bit lower, then it could be very interesting. If those stocks are tanking and this price remains in the same range, it might be something to not to get too enthusiastic about.
Right. Well, many of the home builder stocks have been doing well for the last couple of years, but you're right, there is some question and some doubt as to whether they can keep moving forward if rates go up.
Right, and the stock market's all about future expectations, of course. And then, in addition, this one's a 1.2 billion IPOs, you said, and those can tend to get a little bit sloppy if the market is not firm, if the overall stock market's not firm, and that's kind of unclear right now.
All right, well, it sounds like investors might want to be a little bit cautious on HD Supply Holdings as it goes public. It is a big IPO, and it is in the construction area, which could have some effects from rising rates later this year.